Welcome to Classic Car Showcase, the show where we explore some of the most amazing vintage vehicles in the world. In today's episode, we have a very special treat for you. A rare and stunning 1970 Buick GS Stage 1, one of only two factory prototype show cars ever produced by Buick. This beauty combines power, style, and luxury in a sleek and muscular package. It has a 455 cubic inch engine, a unique Fireglow pearl paint, and a white interior. In this video, we will get to know this car better and see what makes it so special. History. First, let's take a look at the history of this car and how it came to be. Buick introduced the Grand Sport, or GS, line in 1965 as a performance option for the Skylark. Over the years, the GS name was used for different models, but the most famous and sought-after one was the GS Stage 1, which debuted in 1969 as a performance upgrade for the GS 400. The Stage 1 package boosted the 455 cubic inch engine with higher compression, larger valves, a more aggressive camshaft, and a specially tuned quadrajet carburetor. The result was a whopping 360 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, making the GS Stage 1 one of the fastest and most powerful cars of its time. The 1970 model year was the peak of the GS Stage 1's performance and popularity as it received some cosmetic and mechanical improvements, such as a functional hood scoop, a rear spoiler, a heavy-duty suspension, and a positraction rear axle. It also made history when Motor Trend magazine tested it and clocked it at 13.38 seconds in the quarter mile, faster than any other production car at the time. However, among the 1970 GS Stage 1S, there were two very special cars that stood out from the rest. These were the factory prototype show cars, built by Buick to showcase the best of the best that they had to offer. These cars had a unique and exclusive Fireglow pearl color, which was a metallic red with gold flakes, and a matching white interior with bucket seats and a console. They also had some extra features that were not available on the regular production models, such as power windows, tilt column, and a Sonomatic radio. These cars were displayed at various auto shows and events across the country and were later sold to private collectors. Performance. Next, let's talk about the performance of this car and what it can do on the road. This car is a true muscle car, with a massive and powerful engine that can deliver exhilarating acceleration and speed. It has a 455 cubic inch V8 engine that produces 360 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, which can propel this 3,800-pound car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6 seconds, into a top speed of over 120 miles per hour. It also has a smooth and reliable turbo Hydromatic 400 automatic transmission, which shifts seamlessly and effortlessly. This 1970 Buick GS Stage 1 classic car also has a dual exhaust system, which gives it a deep and throaty sound that is music to any car enthusiast's ears. The 1970 Buick GS Stage 1 handles well for its size and weight, thanks to its heavy-duty suspension, which includes coil springs, stabilizer bars, and shock absorbers. It also has power steering, which makes it easy to maneuver and steer. This car has power brakes, which provide adequate stopping power, but they are not as responsive or effective as modern disc brakes. The 1970 Buick GS Stage 1 rides on 15-inch chrome wheels, which are wrapped in wide and grippy tires, which enhance the car's traction and stability. Style and appeal. Now, let's move on to the style and appeal of this car and how it looks and feels. This car is a stunning and eye-catching car, with a sleek and muscular design that exudes style and charisma. It has a long and low profile, with a sloping hood, a prominent grille, and a short and sporty rear end. It has a distinctive and aggressive look, thanks to its functional hood scoop, which feeds fresh air to the engine, and its rear spoiler, which adds some aerodynamic flair. This 1970 Buick GS Stage 1 also has some chrome accents, such as the bumpers, the mirrors, and the trim, which contrast nicely with the body color. This 1970 Buick GS Stage 1's most striking feature, however, is its Fireglow pearl paint, which is a rare and exclusive color that was only used on the two factory prototype show cars. The paint is a metallic red with gold flakes, which gives it a fiery and sparkling appearance, especially under the sunlight. The paint is in excellent condition and has been well maintained and preserved over the years. The paint is complemented by the white interior, which is also in pristine condition and creates a striking contrast with the exterior. The interior is spacious and comfortable, with bucket seats, a console, and a dashboard that are all covered in white vinyl. The interior also has some wood grain accents, which add some warmth and elegance to the cabin. Comfort and convenience. Finally, let's discuss the comfort and convenience of this car and what it offers to the driver and passengers. This car is not only a performance car, but also a luxury car, with a host of features and amenities that make it comfortable and convenient to drive and enjoy. It has power windows, which allow the driver and passengers to easily adjust the airflow and ventilation in the car. It also has a tilt column, which allows the driver to adjust the steering wheel to their preferred position and angle. It also has a Sonomatic radio, which provides entertainment and information to the occupants. The radio has an AM/FM tuner, a cassette player, and a 4-speaker sound system, which deliver clear and crisp sound quality. The 1970 Buick GS Stage 1 also has a heater and a defroster, which keep the cabin warm and cozy in cold weather. This car also has some safety features, such as seat belts, which secure the driver and passengers in their seats, and a padded dash, which protects the occupants from injury in case of a collision. This car also has a spare tire, a jack, and a toolkit, which are stored in the trunk and can be used in case of an emergency. Review. To sum up, this car is a remarkable and impressive car that combines performance, style, and luxury in one package. It is a rare and valuable piece of automotive history, as it is one of only 2 factory prototype show cars ever made by Buick and has a unique and stunning Fireglow pearl paint. It is also a powerful and fast car, with a 455 cubic inch engine that can deliver amazing acceleration and speed. It is also a stylish and attractive car, with a sleek and muscular design that exudes charisma and personality. It is also a comfortable and convenient car, with a host of features and amenities that make it enjoyable and easy to drive and ride. It is a true classic and a dream car for any car enthusiast. Current and future price. This car is a highly sought-after and collectible car that commands a high price in the market. The 1970 Buick GS Stage 1's value is determined by several factors, such as its rarity, condition, originality, and provenance. The car's rarity is one of its main selling points, as it is one of only 2 factory prototype show cars ever made by Buick and has a unique and exclusive Fireglow pearl paint. The car's condition is another important factor, as it is in excellent shape and has been well maintained and preserved over the years. The car's originality is also a key factor, as it has all its original parts and components and has not been modified or altered in any way. The car's provenance is also a significant factor, as it has a documented and verified history and has been owned by some notable and reputable collectors, such as the Chamberlain collection of 1970 Buicks. The 1970 Buick GS Stage 1's current price is estimated to be around $200,000, based on recent sales and auctions of similar cars. However, the 1970 Buick GS Stage 1's price may vary depending on the demand and supply, the location and venue, and the buyer and seller. The 1970 Buick GS Stage 1 car's future price is expected to increase over time as it becomes more rare and desirable and as the market for classic cars grows and expands. The 1970 Buick GS Stage 1 is a sound and solid investment, as it is likely to appreciate in value and generate a good return. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed learning more about the 1970 Buick GS Stage 1, one of the most amazing and rare cars in the world. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments what you think of this car and what other cars you would like us to feature in the future. Until next time, this is the Classic Car Showcase, signing off.